Hey guys, in today's video, we're going to unbox this new set of 120 Kalour colored pencils. I'm going to give you a little first impressions as well. So welcome, I hope you enjoy the video. First off, disclaimer, before we dive in too much, I just want to say I am not sponsored. Also, I'm not a professional artist. Yes, I've sold some art and I have a YouTube channel, but like I'm not pumping out pieces left, right, and center or hosting art shows. I have a passion for art and I'm a professional dabbler. So I love all sorts of art and I needed to update my colored pencils for some of my art projects. But basically, what I'm trying to say is I'm not a colored pencil connoisseur. So just keep that in mind. And actually that might be helpful or relatable to you because I'm just an average user when it comes to colored pencils. All right, so let's get started with the packaging. The packaging is great. I love that it comes in this sturdy tin, these organized sheets, because I'm totally the person who loves one, organization, or I go crazy. And additionally, it just looks so pretty. When you open the box, as you saw printed on the inside portion of the lid, they have swatches, but that's only going to be so-so for accuracy because it's printed on the tin. But you do get this really nice big card to swatch them yourself, which I did. So like I said, I had to update my old pencils and they were old. So I have to say, just swatching these was a dream. They were quite soft and just an overall pleasure to use. I was also impressed with the variety. A couple times I picked up the pencil and I thought for sure it's going to be the same color as another one, but in fact, they seem to all be unique and vibrant. I did notice that they had some really nice metallics. They also had a variety of grays. I think they'll be perfect for what I need. One thing I did notice, some of the barrels didn't match the core, like the colors as well. Some of the names were a bit off, but again, that doesn't really bother me too much because I'm going to be choosing my colors according to the swatches, so no biggie. By the way, I have Amazon affiliate links for these in my description box as well as for Aliexpress. Using my links is a great way to support my small channel. It's at no extra cost to you, so thanks if you choose to do that. So looking at the actual pencil, these are round barrels and they're capped at the end as well. They feel very comfortable to use. I was happy with them. They are pre-sharpened. Of course, I did some practice sharpening and I had no issues with that. But again, this is just first impressions, so we will see as the future unfolds. So my final thoughts. Honestly, here is my former set of Faber-Castells. They're student level. They served me well. They're super scratchy now though, and I can tell they're just old. So using these new ones, I am blown away. They are so nice, especially for the price. Are they museum professional quality, going to last for all eternity? Absolutely not. No, they are not. They are advertised as being professional. They're not a dupe for Prismacolor or Polychromos, but I can say for myself, for what I do, for my budget, I think they're going to be perfect. So for you, if you're looking for just a decent set, they're comfortable, maybe you do coloring books or something like that, I think these might be just right. So thank you so much for watching today, guys, and as usual, stay tuned because I have more things to show you. Bye!